So we are right now in Eastbourne and we have come to like 1 or 1.5 hour train from London to Eastbourne, and now we are going to take bus from Eastbourne to Building Gap, and from Building Gap we are going to do a cliff hiking to Seven Sisters Cliff. So let's go for our weekend trip. Are you excited?
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ
Are you excited?
बढ़िया।
That is Lions Arcade and that is something. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The weather seems to be really nice. Hopefully it won't rain today. It's actually sunny. Sun has come. Tea room. We have walked so much for this tea room. Fuck. It has a chandelier. Look, look, look. Will you go out on a tea with me? No? Not on a tea date? That was actually a cute, cute tea room. We already had our lunch. So we should have eaten inside that place. Oh, that's so colorful. Oy, oy, oy. And there's so much of rusting happening here. That point we have to go. That's going to be Seven Sisters Cliff. This is the way to Brighton. So rusty. दूर रहो, जंग लग जाएगी तुम्हें भी. We cannot figure out which bus to take. So finally we couldn't find the bus. Apparently there's no bus services from Eastbourne to Building Gap. There's only hop on hop of those sightseeing buses, and which will take like 20 minutes to each and every destination, and we don't have that much time because we want to complete our entire Seven Sister Cliff and then go back to Brighton to our Airbnb. So now we have planned to walk from here Eastbourne to Building Gap, which is going to take up 3 to 4 hours. Hopefully by the end of the day we'll reach back to Brighton from the Seven Sisters Cliff. Guys, my god, that's so beautiful. Okay, so we have started our hike 5 minutes ago, literally 5 minutes ago, and we started sweating already. We have worn the proper clothes for hiking. A hiking shoes and sweatshirt and all black so that I can absorb the sun. This is the later half of the September and still it's so hot. I don't know what's happening to the climate. What are we doing to this world?
ये तो कुछ समझ के परे है, बिल्कुल ही समझ के परे है.
Okay, come on, follow me. I'll take you to the candy shop. No, I'll take you to the Seven Sisters Cliff. Paad mara. Let's go. 10 minutes into the hike, still alive. My stomach is aching.
अच्छा 5 मिनट का अपडेट रहेगी.
हाँ, my body is aching. My cycles have synced with my traveling cycles.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
जाओ कोई मुझे. This freaking sun is just keep on coming closer. Smooth like butter, criminal undercover.
गलत लिरिक्स ऑनलाइन मत डाल, बेइज्जती जाएगी.
गलत लिरिक्स
ऑनलाइन मत.
मैं तो गलत ही गाती हूँ, मुझे सही आता ही नहीं है, मैं क्या करूँ.
डूब के मर जा रे चुल्लू भर पानी में.
बताओ क्या करूँ मैं, मर जाऊँ.
मत जा.
मैं गाना नहीं गा सकती.
नहीं.
Now the actual trail started. This is our way. Snake नहीं निकल के आए बस यहाँ से. We should have worn sport shoes. we are going to.
United.
Oh yeah. We should have eaten that place. Eaten that place. What are we doing this to war? No. What are we doing this? What are we doing
To this
to
one.
this world?